The power of Virabhadrasana I, Warrior I, strength and focus in your yoga journey. Yoga is more than just movement. It is a voyage into the mind, body, and spirit. Warrior I, or Virabhadrasana I, is a cornerstone pose that embodies strength, courage, and transformation. This posture goes beyond the physical. It calls us to embrace resilience within and channel our inner warrior. Whether you are just starting your yoga practice or are looking to deepen your flow, mastering Warrior I can inspire both confidence and mindfulness. Let's explore the beauty and power of this empowering pose. Virabhadrasana I, or Warrior I pose, invites you to cultivate strength while staying grounded in courage and focus. Named after the fierce, mythological warrior Virabhadra, this pose teaches us to root ourselves in the present moment while reaching upward toward our highest aspirations. It strengthens the legs, opens the hips, and builds stability for both the body and mind. Warrior I is a reminder to rise resiliently from challenges, with a steady heart and unwavering determination. Builds physical strength. Warrior I activates and strengthens the legs, glutes, and core, creating a sense of stability and endurance that ripples into other aspects of practice. Improves flexibility. By stretching the hips and chest, this pose counters the tightness caused by modern sedentary lifestyles, leaving you feeling more open and mobile. Fosters mental clarity. The upright and dynamic posture promotes empowerment, focus, and a can-do attitude, cultivating a warrior-like mindset that encourages resilience both on and off the mat. Strong yoga poses rely on proper alignment, and Warrior I is no exception. To fully embrace this pose, focus on aligning your physical body while staying intentional and mindful. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Feet and legs. Step 1, foot forward, bending the knee at a 90-degree angle above the ankle, and ground the back foot slightly turned out, about 45 degrees. This stable foundation allows you to build strength from the ground up. Hips and pelvis. Square the pelvis forward by lightly adjusting the position of the back hip. This squaring motion helps the body remain balanced and stable while gently opening up tight hip flexors. Torso and core. Engage your core muscles to lift the torso tall and support the lower back. Visualize the spine elongating as the energy from your foundation lifts through your center. Arms and shoulders. Extend the arms overhead actively, with palms either facing each other or pressed together. Relax your shoulders to allow the chest to open. This is your stance of courage and focus. Gaze. Fix your initial gaze forward, or gently shift upward to add intensity, as you root into your steady strength. Warrior I is best practiced with both patience and determination. With every motion, invite balance and presence. Start in Tadasana. Begin in mountain pose at the front of the mat, standing tall with grounded feet and steady posture. Step back into strength. Take a deep step back with your right foot, keeping your left foot pointing forward. Root into the outer edge of your back foot for stability. Bend the forward knee. Align your front knee above the ankle, forming a right angle. Keep your back leg activated and strong, lengthening through the entire limb. Square your hips. Adjust your stance so that your hips face the front of the mat. Feel the opposing stretch on your hip flexors and psoas muscles, releasing any tightness. Lift through the core. Engage your core to protect the back and elongate the torso, keeping your upper body steady as you stretch. Extend the arms. Lengthen your arms skyward with energy and focus, a gesture of reaching for your potential. Let your shoulders stay soft, maintaining openness. Breathe and hold. With steady, calming breaths, hold the pose for 3 to 5 cycles or longer, building heat and determination. Warrior I is both a physical and spiritual practice. It strengthens not just the muscles, but also the inner resolve to stand tall amidst life's challenges. Strengthens the body. This dynamic stance fires up the thighs, hips, calves, and core, creating a powerful base for movement in daily life and yoga. Expands mobility. Stretching the hips, chest, and psoas encourages full body flexibility, releasing tension and inviting ease into your body. Energizes and motivates. The upright posture generates confidence, preparing you for greater challenges in your yoga journey. With its versatility, Warrior I can be seamlessly woven into your yoga flow. Use it to warm up, ground yourself, or challenge your strength in dynamic sequences. Add it early in your practice to warm up the hips and shoulders. Include it in standing flow sequences for energy and focus. Practice Warrior I in Sun Salutation B to flow gracefully with energy while creating strength. Avoid strain by being mindful of these common misalignments. Misalignment of the front knee. Keep your front knee directly above the ankle for stability. Unstable hips. Adjust the back foot or widen your stance if squaring the hips feels difficult. Overarching the back. Engage the core and slightly tuck the tailbone to protect the lower spine. Adapt Warrior I to your personal journey. Beginners can start with hands on hips to refine alignment. Increase intensity by adding a slight back bend to stretch further into the upper body. Use props, such as practicing near a wall, to improve balance and confidence. As you explore Warrior I, take time to reflect. How does stepping into this pose make you feel? Which parts of your body and mind come alive during practice? Regularly revisiting this posture can transform both your yoga experience and your approach to life with newfound stability and courage. Step into Warrior I and discover the warrior within.